This is a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT SuperCrew, blue over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, satellite radio, navigation, dual USBs for your phone, electronic climate control. Let's look at the rear seat, running boards, stylish wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by the legendary 5-liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.